Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Redmi 17 and let me share with you how to change the ringtone on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we need to scroll and find the option sound and vibration. Now let's go to this ringtone and let's tap on it. Let's tap on ringtone. And we will be immediately transferred to online ringtones, so it's good to have the internet connection. Obviously, if you don't want to choose anything from the online ringtones, you can still choose local ringtone or pre-installed ringtone. So we'll start with this one, and later on I'll show you how to set an online ringtone. So let's tap on either pre-installed ringtones or choose local ringtone. It doesn't really matter. And here you will be transferred to, obviously, pre-installed ringtones. You can tap on it to listen how it sounds. And if you like it, just tap on apply. Your device will ask you if you want to do it, so just tap on OK. Give the permissions. It needs to actually change the kind of things. And we just successfully changed the... I believe so. We've changed the ringtone. We had this information. Moreover, here we've got this small icon which indicates that this ringtone is set as a default ringtone sound. So this is how to do it using pre-installed ringtones. And if you wish to choose something from online ringtones, all you need to do is to scroll and choose the one you like the most. As you can see, there are plenty of different categories from which you can choose. If you want to, you can go to categories here. And as you can see, there are a lot of options. After entering, you've got plenty of pre-installed ringtones. I'm not really sure if you will be able to listen to all of them, to be honest. So this is how it works. Okay, so let me go to maybe the nature, and basically it works similar, just like in the pre-installed ringtones. So you need to find the ringtone, tap on it, and listen to it. Maybe not those that are really short. That's not the best idea, I would say. And all of them are short here. Okay, so let me choose something else, maybe love. For example, this one. And this is how to check whether you like the ringtone or not. So let's pretend I like this one. So all we need to do in order to set it is to simply tap on this bell icon next to it and confirm it by tapping on OK. Your device needs to download it, so just let it do it. And here we've got the information that it was applied successfully. Of course, we can go back to settings and check it, and as you can see here, we've got here it is indicated that we just successfully changed the ringtone, and from now on our device will use it whilst informing us about a new incoming call. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.